Okay, so I had a few students ask me how do they create a user form that adds to a certain page. So for example, here we have our dashboard. If we press enter results, we can select a certain color. So for example, red, it takes us to the red page. If we select green, it takes us to the green page. If we select blue, it takes us to the blue page. So then we can enter the results for that day. Okay. Just to show you, we can also close the form and it takes us back to our dashboard. So without further ado, let's get into it. So for starters, I'm using the same template as I did for the last one. I've just I've put a square box in here and I've got my enter data button. So this is what you had from the last video I did, and at the moment the information is being displayed here. Okay, I don't want that, so let's close this. Let's delete the last input. Won't let me, so whatever. Here we have our pages. So what I will tell you is I've created a red page for sheet 3, I've got a blue page for sheet 4, I've got a green page for sheet 5, and sheet 2 is my lists. So as you can see, these are all set up with ranges, and this one's got color and it's got a range for color. That's really important. Okay, so now it's time to start. So one more time, dashboard, color red, color blue, color green, and then we got our ranges, and I've added this range. So now we're good to go. So this is what you had from our last video, and we got quite a bit to add. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is our user form. So let's bring up our user form and let's make it a bit bigger. Sorry, I'm in the wrong one, aren't I? Let's close this one. Let's make sure we've closed this one. Yeah, let's close this one. Okay, so our user form. So this is what you had from the last time. Let's enter our user form and let's make some changes. So I want this. First thing we want to do is select a new label. We'll put our label here. We're going to call this label team color. Sorry. So this is the color. Done. And this is going to be a combo box, so we need to add a combo box here, and it's going to be combo box CMB color. Next we're going to add another command button. So first we'll just move some things around. Let's move this, let's move this, put that there. Alright, let's arrange this so it's nice and neat. Align left, align left, same height and width. So I would make these the same distance, but I'm not going to waste my time doing that now because I want to make the video as short as possible. Last thing we need is a another command button here. So I can't, my box isn't popping up for some reason, so let's go view, let's go property windows, no, project explorer, object browser, no, that's not what I wanted. objects. So my little box to enter information is gone, and I'm sure I thought it was this one, but it's not, is it? So this is quite annoying, isn't it? Toolbox. Oh my goodness, we've got another command button, and this one's going to be called close. So it's going to close our form, and it says CM command, so CMD, and it's going to be called close. Alright, so now our sheet's set up. Well, we'll just make these the same size, so same width, and let's get coding. So enter. Okay then, so we've got a lot to do. First thing we're going to do is add another combo box. So we're going to fill combo box color. Alright, so for each Z in color, this spreadsheet, so me CMB color, add item Z, next Z. Alright, that's good. So that's going to do that for us. Next, we got to do our if statements. Okay, but we should be checking this. So let's press save. Let's press F5. Let's click here. Good. So we've done that. So let's go back here, and now we've got a new button, don't we? So we've got to create a new submission. So let's do that. It doesn't matter where you do it, but let's just do it here. Let's go general. Let's create a private submission. Private sub. And we're going to call this private submission CMB color change. In fact, let's not do that. Let's go to our user form, private submission color change. There we go, that's easier. Alright, so let's write a comment to tell us what we're doing, and this enables the user to select the correct sheet, and we've got colors. Okay. Alright, and it's a conditional statement, so if, so we're using if statements. It's combo color, and if the value is equal to red, so if we selected red, then do something, and we want red to go to sheet, sheet, and red, let's have a quick look. RG, so RBG. Red was sheet 3. We want to activate sheet 3, and that's it. So let's do the next one.